Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you have clicked on this video, so you must have an idea what affiliate marketing is. If you're looking to monetize your blog or social media channel with affiliate marketing, then you are at the right place. Whether you are a blogger, a vlogger, or social media influencer, this video is for you. When we talk about the best affiliate marketing platforms, there's scientifically no best platform because it all depends on your niche and your audience, also your personal preferences and goals. I will share with you some of the best affiliate marketing platforms which are there, but you have to do your own research and compare and see which one is best for you. The number one on my list today is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the largest and well-known affiliate marketing platforms with millions of products for promotion. Commission rates vary by product category, but you can earn up to 10% or more. One of the benefits to choose Amazon Associates is that they have 24 hours cookie duration. It means if someone clicks on your link and they don't purchase anything right away, but they purchase within the 24 hours, you will still get a commission. Another benefit is that Amazon has a wide range of products and affiliates can choose a variety of products for promotion. Next comes ShareASale. ShareASale is a network that connects merchants with affiliates. It offers a wide variety of products and services to promote, and the commission ranges from 5% to 30%. To maximize the earning on ShareASale, it's important to focus on promoting products to the right audience and selecting programs which align with your niche or interests. About the cookie duration on ShareASale, it varies from merchant to merchant. Some of the merchants offer a cookie duration of 30 days. So if you decide to choose ShareASale, just make sure that you check the cookie duration of different merchants before you choose them. Number 3 on my list is ClickBank. ClickBank specializes in digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. It's one of the favorite affiliate programs for many affiliates because it gives high commission, sometimes 50% or even more. Now about the cookie duration on ClickBank, it varies. It can be from a few days to several months. Some vendors offer 30 days cookie duration and some of them can offer 120 days or more. You need to check the cookie duration before promoting any product on ClickBank. The next on my list today is Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular platform for freelancers who provide services all over the world. It also has an affiliate program. Fiverr affiliate program allows individuals to earn commission by promoting their services to others. To participate in Fiverr's affiliate program, you need to sign up on their website, and once accepted, you can start promoting their services to the others. And Fiverr has a 30 days cookie duration. Now, the next on my list is TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is a very popular travel platform. TripAdvisor also has an affiliate program which allows individuals to earn commission by promoting their platform to others. To become a TripAdvisor affiliate, you need to sign up on their website, and once approved, you can start promoting their products such as hotels, flights, and vacation rentals, and many more. Commission rates vary depending on the product. Sometimes you can earn from 4% to 50% on every booking made. One of the biggest benefits with TripAdvisor affiliates is that it offers 14 days cookie duration. So if you share the link on your vlog, your YouTube channel, or any other social media channel, and someone makes the booking within 14 days, you will get paid. To maximize the earning on TripAdvisor affiliates, just make sure that you choose the right audience. If you have a travel blog, a travel vlog, or a travel YouTube channel, then TripAdvisor can be really beneficial for you. The next affiliate platform I have chosen to share with you is Udemy. Udemy is a learning platform which has thousands of courses on different fields and different topics. They also have an affiliate program which allows individuals to earn commission by promoting their courses. To become a Udemy affiliate, you need to sign up on their website, and once you are approved, you can start promoting their courses. There is a wide range of courses, so you can select which one are good for your niche. The commission rates on Udemy can vary. They can range from 15% to 50% of the course price. The benefit to choose Udemy is that they offer a 7 days cookie duration. So if someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase within 7 days, you can still get a commission. The next on my list is Shopify. Shopify also has an affiliate program which allows individuals to earn commission by promoting their platform to others. To start with Shopify affiliate program, you need to sign up on their website and be approved. And once approved, you can start promoting Shopify to your audience. This can be done through social media, email marketing, and paid advertisements. Shopify provides affiliates with marketing materials like banners, links, and creatives which can be used to promote their products. The commission varies depending on the plan. It can range from $58 to $2,000 per sale. The next on my list is Rakuten. Rakuten is a global affiliate network that offers a wide range of services and products. The commission rates vary from merchant to merchant, and same with the cookie duration. The next one is Commission Junction. Commission Junction has a wide range of products and services. The commission rates vary because there are different merchants on this platform and they set their own commission rate. These are some of the best affiliate marketing programs I have shared with you today. The best advice for you is any niche you're working on, any category you're working in, ask Google for the best affiliate programs for that niche. It will show you different names. You can then have a look and do your own research on that. You can compare the commission rates and you can also compare the cookie duration and you can decide which one you are choosing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Look after yourself and others around you. Bye.